Hi guys, I'm taking my medication for my cough. It's because my back is pain. When I cough, it is pain. So I already take this one this morning. This is it. I already poured the liquid inside. This is salbutamol. Aerovent. So now there's the liquid inside here. Dali. Sarap akong yan. Grabe. Ay na ano eh. Tamlay ng